If you're a non-US resident and you've always wanted to own a US bank account, but you couldn't actually tell where to start from, you don't even know which bank offers online services, then this is definitely your video, because I'm going to show you which bank account offers online services, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that you have to take for you to just create an account on your phone or on your laptop. Without any further ado, let's take a ride. All right, so the bank that I recommend is Mercury. Why Mercury? I've actually worked with Mercury since 2025 to date. So I have that first-hand experience of getting paid by Mercury, which is why I'm recommending this bank. All right, so what is it that you need to do? What you need to do is you click the link in the description section so as to land on the actual page. And once you get here, what you need to do is you click here where it reads open account. After clicking that button, you will land here. So what you do is punch in your first name, punch in your last name, the actual name that appears on your credentials. So what I'll do is I'll punch in the name when you're not looking. Okay, so after that stage, you will be prompted to punch in your work email. Then you also create a password here, right? All right, so now I'm gonna click next. All right, so when you get here, you'll be prompted to punch in the kind of a business that you'd like to create. Is it a personal account or a business account? All right, so if it's personal, go by personal and then click continue. So when you land here, just take some time to read through this. They're saying the future of personal banking has arrived. Power your personal ambitions with smarter ways to manage, move and grow your money. One simple subscription renews automatically, cancel anytime. Then you say earn 3.25 APY. That's annual percentage something on your saving accounts, unlimited USD wires worldwide. So you click continue and then you check what kind of account would you like to apply for. Individual, is it joint account? Then click continue. All right, so you'll be prompted to give your account a cosign, and then you can copy this and then save it somewhere. So make sure you have pen and paper, you write down what you're saying. Just in case you're asked to provide this in the nearby future, you should be able to provide it, right? All right, so if you're satisfied with what you say, you simply hit looks good. So here, you need to punch in your first name. If you have a middle name, punch it in there, your last name. Then you change your country. If you're not from the US, you simply click here so that you change the country of residence. And then you punch in your date of birth here. And then here is the suffix, right? So this one is optional. You can actually leave it out the way it is. All right, let me punch in everything. Then we'll move on to the next stage. Let me punch in the country like Nigeria. All right, so you see that it's not appearing here, right? Let me punch in Zimbabwe. Punch in Zimbabwe, nothing. So then how do you get around such a hurdle as this one? And not only this one, you're likely to encounter another hurdle where you'll be prompted to punch in the ITIN. It's a 7-digit number that all non-US residents are required to provide if they want to own a bank account. So then how do you get around all these hurdles? The shortcut is actually using the ITIN.com. The ITIN.com will actually help you with the ITIN, which is a 7-digit number, which you are asked to provide for you to have an account opened for you in the US. This organization will pioneer the whole process, and it will make sure that you have an ITIN, you also have the bank account set up for you. No hassle, you simply sit back and relax. To make your life easier, I've partnered with the ITIN.com. It's an organization which is a certifying agent. It's able to facilitate your acquisition of the ITIN, which is the 7-digit number, which you are actually required to provide for you to be given a bank account. Then it will also facilitate opening of bank accounts. It will also facilitate the setup of a Shopify payment, and it will also help you to acquire your PayPal. Now, here's the thing. This organization is giving a $50 discount to my community. Make sure that you make use of them. I'm going to leave their link in the description section. All you have to do is to click it and then apply. I'll see you there.